What's up, guys? Is the biggest talker. Now this is a 8 million funding testnet that we're about to go into. I'm going to show you how to get started, how to not miss this opportunity. So we are going to go into it right now. So Rise is a testnet that we are going to interact. It's an L2 blockchain and we're going to get started. So you take the link in the description and you come over here and you add your the network, Rise network, to your MetaMask. Okay, so once you add it to your MetaMask, sign in into it and connect it. Now it's signed to your MetaMask, so you now have it as a network. So you can request token right here, or you go to the faucet. Okay, now I'm going to copy my MetaMask address and I'm going to go to the faucet. You can actually use the first one or use this one here. So just put in your address and choose the number of tokens you want to claim. I will just click on the 7, fill the reCAPTCHA, and I'll just choose Ethereum and Rise. That's what I want, but just click all. It actually has glitches, so try multiple times and you get it. The main thing is the Rise and the Ethereum you get. So once that is done, you go over to one of their decks, okay, where you swap, connect your MetaMask. Make sure you are on the Rise Sepolia testnet network on your MetaMask and you swap. Okay, there are many dexes, but I'm just going to use this for this video. You swap it. I'm just going to choose Ethereum. I'll swap it to the USDC right here. And how many am I going to swap? I'm going to swap up 0.005, and okay, I'll swap that, sign that in my MetaMask. Once signed in my MetaMask, that's good. You can swap multiple times, this testnet is very easy, guys, very easy. So once that is done, you can try other swap features, then just go back and choose any of the decks, any of the DApp you want to interact with. Just interact with as many as you can, mint NFTs, and that's very simple, guys. My name is Chris. I'm the biggest talker. I'll keep showing you how to interact, get money from airdrops. Stick with me, join my community. Let's get this money. Like this video, subscribe, turn notification bell. I'll see you in the side of money.